Hey, I appreciate for watching this video, and if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on so you don't miss any update. Let's look at Blink charging. Blink charging is currently trading at $33.90. The ticker symbol is BLNK. What does Blink charging do? Blink charging company engages in the operation and provision of electric vehicle charging equipment and network EV charging services. Its product line and services include Blink EV charging network, charging equipment, also known as electric vehicle supply equipment, and EV charging services. Blink has a market cap of 1.39 billion and the average daily trading volume of 1.2 million. Blink should do well under Joe Biden's infrastructure plan. Including in the plan is a provision to spend 7.9 billion on EV infrastructure, including charging stations. This is the daily chart for Blink, and the data I have is to about 6:40 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on September the 2nd. Blink has a wild ride over the past 2 years. Broke out of consolidation late June of 2020. It was trading at less than $3. Went on this massive bull run, ran all the way to an all-time high of $64.36. After that, the price retraced, and today it is trading at $33.82, up 2.6%. Let's take a quick look at some of these indicators. Around the end of February, that's when the 10 days intersected the 50 days and dropped below the 50 day. That was the bearish signal. And after that, Blink continued to retrace, rebounded, ran to about $48. But the 10-day was not able to cross over and lead the 50-day again. The price then retraced, dropped to about $26, rebounded, and tried to retest this prior high, but get rejected. Then the price continued to retrace until now. When the price was retraced, Blink was setting up this lower high as well as higher low. So essentially, Blink was setting up this symmetrical triangle. And now the 10 days moving average is reversing direction, and it is on the verge of crossing over and lead the 50 days. This is an indication that Blink is ready for another up wave. When Blink was on this major bull run, volume picked up drastically, and then it went on this consolidations, volume tapering off, and right now it get to the point where there's almost no activity at all. This indicates a very normal consolidation pattern. Switch over to the 4-hour chart. Blink has been in consolidation since February of this year, and it is forming this massive symmetrical triangle of this high low and low high. And now the price is getting very near the apex. So it's just a matter of hours or few days before Blink will either break to the upside or to the downside. A break to the upside could potentially take Blink to about $75. Switch over to the daily chart. We talk about the 10 days moving average reversing direction, and looks like it's going to be crossing the 50-day and then lead the 50-day again. That is a very bullish sign. The stochastic oscillators show a crossover right at this point, in which the blue line cross over and then lead the red line. That is also a very bullish indication. So all probability is pointing to Blink would break out of the resistance of this symmetrical triangle and run higher. And this presents a very interesting either swing trade or an option play. For a swing trade, I would enter at this price and then wait for the price to break out and then run to about the $64, in which I would take about 50% off, and then wait for the price to move up again and take the rest off when it hit about $75. For an option play, I would buy call options and expiration would be about like 4 weeks out. So the expiration date is around September the 24th, and the strike price $35 seemed to be a very good strike price. The cost per option is $1.25. If Blink can run up to about 40, then my option would probably at least triple or quadruple. On the flip side, if Blink were to break down instead of going up like the way I had anticipated, I will exit my position when the price drop below $29. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at Vietmaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.